area. This is the new type UFO High Bay light. What's the difference between this one and then the old one? We can see here, this part is the motion sensor. Use this motion sensor, you can be more energy saving. When you install this type lamp in the warehouse, you can set in when people come, 100% brightness, and when people leave, 30% brightness. So it is much more energy saving than you just lighting the lamp all the way time. Okay, so from here, the lens we can check. The lens is we can put more LED tubes here. When we use more LED tube, the lumen per watt is much more higher. We can do at least 130 lumen per watt. We can go higher to 150 lumen per watt, 160, 170, and 180 or 190 lumen per watt. If you want more higher lumen per watt, you can contact with our sales on this part. This type of UFO High Bay lights, we use the hook mounting. The hook mounting is easy for you install the warehouse lighting. When you install it, you just install in a bracket and hold it mounting. The wire, this is the 2-feet wire. If you need more longer or you need with plug, we can also handle for you. The standard wire is 2 feet long. If you need other lengths, you need to tell us. We can additional produce for you. So for this type of the UFO High Bay lights, we can do 100 watt, 150 watt, 200 watt, and 240 watt. The standard lumen per watt is 130 lumen per watt. If you need more higher, you need to contact with our sales. The standard cut temperature we wholesale is 5000 K. If you need 3000 K, 4000 K, or 6000 K, you need to tell us, then we handle for you. Thank you. Have a great day.